Scabies is a highly contagious skin infestation caused by the mite Sarcoptes scabiei var. Hominis. This condition spreads rapidly, often within households, before detection. The primary symptom is an itchy rash, which results from a delayed hypersensitivity reaction. Prompt treatment is necessary to prevent transmission, reduce morbidity, and avoid secondary complications such as cellulitis and acute rheumatic fever. Transmission and vulnerable populations. Scabies spreads through prolonged skin-to-skin contact, especially among household members, sexual partners, and individuals in institutional care facilities. Transmission via fomites like clothing or furnishings is possible but typically occurs in severe crusted scabies cases. While scabies affects all age groups, children, older people, and immunocompromised individuals are particularly vulnerable, especially those in low socioeconomic areas. Scabies is not related to hygiene but is influenced by population density, close contact environments, and immunodeficiency. Types of scabies. There are three main presentations of scabies. Classic scabies is the most common form, involving infestation with a low number of mites, approximately 5 to 15. It typically presents with an itchy skin rash that begins in areas such as palms, soles, fingers, and toes before spreading to the trunk and limbs. Nodular scabies is a feature of chronic classic scabies, characterized by inflammatory nodules in skin folds and genital areas. These nodules can persist even after successful treatment of classic scabies. Crusted scabies is an uncommon condition resulting from hyperinfestation with thousands to millions of mites, leading to thick, crusted plaques and hyperkeratosis. Crusted scabies is more contagious than classic scabies and commonly affects people with immunodeficiency, neurological diseases causing reduced sensation or immobility, older people, and those in institutional facilities. Approximately 50% of people with crusted scabies do not experience pruritic. Scabies mite life cycle. After mating, the female mite burrows into the upper epidermal layers of the skin, laying 2 to 3 eggs per day for up to 6 weeks. The mites mature through larval and nymphal stages in approximately 10 to 13 days. Scabies mites rely on a human host and can only survive outside of a host for about 3 days. Diagnosis. Classic scabies is usually diagnosed clinically based on characteristic features such as burrows, rash, and pruritic, along with a relevant history. Burrows appear as thin, irregular, brown-gray lines on the skin. An ink test can highlight burrows, or dermatoscopy can visualize the mite. Microscopy of burrow content and skin scrapings can confirm the diagnosis, especially in suspected crusted scabies cases or outbreaks in residential care facilities. If scabies is suspected, treatment is often started without microscopic confirmation. If crusted scabies is suspected, confirmation via dermatoscopy or skin scrapings is recommended. Symptoms. A key symptom is pruritic, which worsens after hot baths or at night. The rash typically starts in an acral distribution before spreading. The rash can vary in appearance, presenting as small erythematous papules with hemorrhagic crusts on the trunk, limbs, wrists, and interdigital spaces. Nodules, typically 0.5 to 1 centimeters in diameter, may appear in the groin, genitalia, buttocks, or axillary folds in persistent cases. Treatment. Topical permethrin is the first-line treatment for classic scabies. Oral ivermectin is added to the regimen for crusted scabies. All close contacts should also be treated. Permethrin 5% cream or lotion is applied to the entire body, paying attention to areas such as the webbing between fingers and toes and under the nails, and washed off after 8 to 12 hours. Treatment should be repeated after 7 to 10 days to address newly hatched larvae. Post-treatment management. Pruritic may persist for several weeks after successful treatment and can be managed with topical anti-pruritic preparations like mild topical corticosteroids or crotamycin. Pruritic lasting beyond 6 weeks may indicate an alternative diagnosis or inadequate treatment response. Secondary bacterial infections from excessive excoriation may require oral antibiotics. Transmission reduction. To reduce transmission, Advise the patient to avoid direct contact with others for at least 8 hours after treatment. All household members and close contacts within the last 30 days should be assessed and treated. Basic cleaning practices such as hot laundering of bedding, clothing and towels, and vacuuming of carpets and upholstery are also important. Crusted scabies specifics. Crusted scabies requires a different approach due to its high contagiousness. It is treated with oral ivermectin, sometimes combined with topical permethrin. In such cases, salicylic acid 5 to 10% in cetomacrogol aqueous cream with glycerol can be applied to crusted areas to reduce crusting and improve permethrin absorption. Ivermectin is dosed at 200 micrograms per kilogram, rounded to the nearest 3 milligrams, and may be repeated weekly until no burrows are detected.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.